Today, I want to share with you all one of the precious gems from the Bible. You know, the Bible is full of precious gems. And as we read the Bible, we discover these precious gems from the Bible. So this gem that I want to share with you, ये जो मोती है जो मैं आपके साथ बांटना चाहता हूँ, it's found in the book of Samuel. 1 Samuel chapter 10 verse 23. पहला शमूएल 10:23. और वह लोगों के बीच में खड़ा हुआ और वह कांधे से सिर तक सब लोगों से लंबा था. And when he stood among the people, he was higher than any of the people, from his shoulders and upwards. Here the Bible is talking about Saul, the Old Testament Saul, the first king of Israel, who was handsome, who was good looking, and he was the tallest among the people. जब वह लोगों के बीच में खड़ा हुआ तो सबसे लंबा था. वहां जितने भी लोग थे, जितने सारे लोग थे, लंबे थे, वो उन सब से अधिक लंबा था. हालेलुया. जब हम लोगों के बीच में खड़े होते हैं तो क्या हम सबसे लंबे हैं? Now you can say, well, I am not tall. I am not above 6 feet. This is how I am. This is my physicality. But जब हम बाइबल पढ़ते हैं, when we are reading the Bible, we have to understand the spiritual meaning. हमको आत्मिक अर्थों को समझना चाहिए. Rather than taking the words literally, we should try to understand the deep spiritual meaning. Standing tall means standing out. It means to be exceptional. You may be physically short, but your achievements are tall. Your work ethics are tall. You are unique. You are exceptional. You do things others are not able to do. You are the best in the business. अगर कोई भी काम आपको दिया जाए, अगर कोई भी काम आपको सौंपा जाए, तो उसको आप बेहतरीन तरीके से कर सकते हो. Here was Saul. He was not so confident. But when his time came and God elected him and he stood in the midst of the people, he was the tallest. People looked up to him. When you are tall, people will look up to you. They want to become like you. You will be an inspiration. They will honor you. They will respect you. तो लंबा होना न केवल कद काठी से, पर अपने जीवन से, अपने व्यवहार से, आचार विचार से क्या हम लंबे हैं? God wants us to be like no other. God doesn't want us to live an ordinary life. Our life should be extraordinary, and that is what glorifies Him. If we read the next verse, अगर हम दूसरा पद पढ़ें, जब शमूएल ने सब लोगों से कहा, when Samuel saw Saul that he was the tallest among the all, then Samuel, this is what he said, क्या तुमने यहोवा के चुने हुए को देखा है? Have you seen the Lord's elected? कि सारे लोगों में कोई उसके बराबर नहीं. There is no one like him. Not even a single soul. एक आदमी ऐसा नहीं है जो उसके बराबर हो. एंड तब सब लोग ललकार के बोल उठे, राजा चिरंजीवी रहे. कोई आपके जैसा नहीं, आपके क्षेत्र में, आपके काम में, आपके परिवार में, आपके समाज में. There's no one like you. Have you seen the Lord's elected? Look at him. He doesn't complain. He always walks in faith. He is always full of positive energy. You are an inspiration because you don't give up. When people think of you, they are full of fire and hope. Because you stand tall. People cannot look down on you. They cannot look down on you. वो आपको नीची निगाहों से नहीं देख सकते. Because you are standing tall. This is the need of the hour, that we will stand tall and be an inspiration for others, because people need role models. Instead of seeking help, instead of walking in weakness, this is what we need to do. Rise up and stand tall and show the world that we are made up of steel. God bless you.